Alrighty, here we go.
Why am I always the one cleaning up these messes? I tell you what, goddamn kids. I'm too dang old and worn out for this nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
Alright, the fuse is up here at the top of the main stairs. Marked one of them for you. Alright, I got to get these doors locked. Front door's locked.
I'm not a violent man. This is something I gotta do. I'll make
Back
it
door's
snappy, I
locked.
promise. Now, where are you? Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
Somebody just stabbed Grandpa. Oh shit! They're out the side door. They're out the front. They're out the front. They stabbed Grandpa and went out the front, guys. Not the front, but the side. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta find them quick. They couldn't have gone much further. I can't hear nothing. Got you.
I'm on her. I'm on her. She's gonna go down the well. They might be going back to the back. Somebody got out the side door, guys. Yep. Hold on. Oh, nice. Somebody just bled out. Hell yeah. I got it.
I'ma smack that Johnny upside his doggone head.
Shit. Basement exit open, guys. I'm gonna go shut it down. I'm shutting it down. I'll get it as soon as I can. Yeah, they're out of here. Damn it. Shutting it off.
It's too foggy.
What is the point?
Fresh as it gets. Drink up now. I'm fixing to find me all that's for sure. I hear him. Over there.
Julie's on me. Julie's on me. She's going upstairs.
Grandpa, gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Mm-mm. Julie's still on me, guys. She's at the fuse. I got her away from the fuse. She's going out the She's in the bathroom. She went this side. She's right here. Leatherface, she's going back through this crack. Yeah, go in that room. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got her. We got her. We got her sandwich. She's fucked. Hell yeah. Good job, Leatherface. Bye-bye, Julie. I'm sorry. Sometimes the cook gets violent. Bonk.
I don't much enjoy being violent, but I got no choice here.
She's over by Grandpa. She's right by Grandpa right now. Oh, shit. There she is. I see her. She's going out the front window, I think. Yeah, she's out here. Got her. Good job, boys. Well, one got away. GG's, GG's. Bonk. GG's, y'all. GG's. Good game. Follow me on Twitch, CW Viper. Thanks for stuff for coming in. Hey.